Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership and securing power. Have the IMEI or receipt, the original Google account details, and at least half battery so the phone won't die mid-process. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or a stable PC cable and back up any unlocked files you can access. You're not trying shortcuts. You're preparing for an authorized recovery or factory reset through official channels. This reduces data loss and speeds any support interaction when you contact Nokia or your carrier. You choose an authorized path rather than a risky bypass. Contact Nokia support or visit an authorized service center and present your proof. Technicians can perform a secure factory reset while preserving warranty status. If you remain signed into the phone's Google account and can authenticate, Google's Account Recovery or Find My Device offers official reset or erase options. Make sure to authenticate fully. These routes are why ownership documents and account access matter, and they avoid breaking security policy. You complete recovery by following technician instructions or guided account recovery, then set a new, memorable PIN or password and enable a secure backup. If the device prompts for the previous Google account after reset, use account recovery tools or escalate with your carrier or Nokia support armed with receipt and IMEI. If something goes wrong, record error messages, avoid unofficial tools, and request service center escalation. That keeps you legal, preserves warranty, and protects your data and device integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.